Grade 6. This is Miss Susan. Today's episode is about the area of trapezoid. Lesson 10.4. What is the trapezoid shape? It is this shape. Let's start. The first essential question: how can you find the area of trapezoid? Look with me. Any parallelogram can be divided into two trapezoids. So if you cut this here apart, it will give you two trapezoids with the same shape and size. The bases of trapezoid B1 and B2. So every trapezoid has two bases. This B1 is equal to B1 here, and this B2 is equal to B2 here, and they are equal. From the same of the parallelogram, the area of each trapezoid is half the area of the parallelogram. So the area of trapezoid is half the product of its height and its sum. You know that the parallelogram area is equal BH. So, but here I don't have one base. I have two bases, B1 and B2. So it will be B1 plus B2H. But you know that the trapezoid is half of the parallelogram area, so it will be half. So the formula again is half B1 plus B2H. Another explanation that in the trapezoid, if I want to implement the rule B times H is the area, but I have here two bases. So I will take the average between the two bases, which is B1 plus B2 dividing by 2. So again, going back to the main formula of area of trapezoid, area equals half B1, which is base 1, plus B2, which is base 2, multiplying by H stands for the height. Nice? Okay, let's solve an example. This trapezoid has two bases. Base number 1 is 0.9, base number 2 is 1.6 meter, and the height is 0.6 meter. So all dimensions are here. So to get the area, write the formula. A equal half B1 plus B2 multiplying by H. So put the numbers. B1 is 0.9, B2 is 1.6, sorry, and the H is 0.6. First, solve the parentheses. We add 0.9 plus 1.6, it will be equal to 0.5. Then we multiply these two numbers together. It will be one digit number by two digit number. Then we put the decimal point. Then the answer will be 1.5. Then divide 1.5 by 2 will be 0.75. So the area is 0.75 and the unit here is meter square. Example number 2. This trapezoid has two bases also. Base number 1 is 4.6 centimeter, base number 2 is 9.4 centimeter, and the height is 3.5 centimeter. So base number 1 and base number 2 is 9.4. Let's solve the parentheses first. Add the two numbers together. The answer will be 14. Then 14, it's easier to divide it by 2 first than multiplying by 3.5. So 14 divided by 2 will give you 7. Then multiply 7 by 3.5 will give you 24.5. So the area will be 24.5 and the unit is centimeter square. If I have unknown H, but I know the area here is 700.2 equal half multiplying by base number 1 is 20 plus base number 2 is 34 and the H is unknown. First, solve the parentheses. 20 plus 34 will be 54. Then divide 54 by 2 will be 27. Then to put this h alone in one side, I have to get rid of 27 by doing the inverse operation. The inverse of multiplication is dividing by 27 in both two sides. So 27 divided by 27 is equal 1h. 702 divided by 27 will give you 26. So the height will be 26 inch. And that's it. Don't forget to solve homework page 561 from 2 to 4. Have a nice day. See you. And don't forget to follow and subscribe. Bye bye.